What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. This video I want to solve this easy trigonometric equation, which is secant theta minus 2 equals to 0. And theta must be between 0 and 2 pi. The first thing I want to do, I want to isolate secant. Secant theta equals to 2. So secant is inverse of cosine, so 1 over cosine theta is going to be 2, so cosine theta will be 1 over 2. So theta will be pi over 3. Why? Because cosine pi over 3 is 1 over 2, and we need to have another answer because theta is changing from 0 and 2 pi, and cosine is positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. So one answer that we found already is pi over 3, and here we have 2 pi minus pi over 3. So pi over 3, 2 pi minus pi over 3, which will be 6 pi minus pi divided by 3, just 5 pi over 3. So 5 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. So if you want to write in terms of degrees, this one is 60 degrees and this one is going to be 300 degrees. So these are the two answers to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will leave some related playlists in descriptions. In case you need extra help, you can take a look to the description to find out related videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding trigonometric equations, trigonometric identities, and some other topics in math and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.